What is 3 times the square root of 250 expressed in simplest radical form? We need to break down the square root of 250. We need to start by writing a list of perfect squares. The square root of 1 equals 1. The square root of 4 equals 2. The square root of 9 equals 3. The square root of 16 equals 4. The square root of 25 equals 5. The square root of 36 equals 6. The square root of 49 equals 7. The square root of 64 equals 8. I like to keep going all the way up to the square root of 100. From this list of perfect squares, which is this list right over here, because these are the numbers that I can easily take the square root of, which makes them perfect squares. I want to find the biggest perfect square that goes evenly into 250. Well, it turns out that 25 is that number, so 250 gets broken down to the square root of 25 times the square root of 10. If we multiply this number times this number, we get the square root of 250. Since 25 is a perfect square, this expression can now be written as 3 times 5 times the square root of 10. The square root of 10 is left alone because that is not a perfect square. Multiply these two numbers, 15 times square root of 10, choice 3.